What's up, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. I wanted to give you guys some post-workout meals. I prepared 3 meals, and the biggest takeaway is that food, it doesn't have to be boring. From leaving my construction job to taking the risks as an entrepreneur, this channel is about pursuing your dreams, turning your pain into your purpose. Everything you go through in life is making you. My name is Mike, Gas Money Gastelum, and this is my story. I always say, what diet? What diet am I on? I'm eating really good foods. So the big takeaway, you can enjoy the foods that you actually like, and protein and carbs. All of these meals, they don't have fat. So after your workout, you just want protein and carbs. Protein, carbs, protein, carbs. That's it, okay? So the first meal, man, you gotta take a look at this though first. This is a birthday cake Kodiak pancakes. Birthday cake. Man, so bomb. So this is what it is. Here's the package right here. It has great macros. It has protein in it. So I'll read the macros to you. 2.5 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of protein. This is one serving. You can get this at any store, Amazon it, Target, whatever you want. Put some blueberries on there just to, for that sweet taste. How I cooked all my meals, I use Pam, okay? So this is 0 calorie. Don't use butter, don't use olive oil or anything like that. What we're gonna do, so everybody trips, they're like, I don't wanna eat chicken and rice. I'm like, no bitch, you're not gonna eat chicken and rice. You could actually, if you think and prepare your meals properly, you can enjoy and have different types of meals all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one. This is pancakes, right? Cool Whip, 25 calories per 2 tablespoons. It's nothing. 25 calories is nothing. So what we're gonna do, just gonna take a little bit here, and we're just gonna put it right on top. There you go. So just give it a little bit of flavor. All right, last thing. All right, sugar-free maple syrup, okay? So 5 calories, literally nothing. I don't even measure this. This is like nothing. And I wouldn't even measure this. We're gonna give it a little taste test. Let's see how it is. Oh man, that's good. That's real good. I'm gonna need a moment of silence. Oh man, I gotta stop. It's too good. All right, that was fucking bomb. I'm gonna try a piece of that. All right, meal number 2 for mi gente, all the people who love eating tortillas. So this is a great post-workout meal. So if you're looking for tortillas and you can't find, low-carb tortillas, man, you gotta hit my girl up, Tia Lupita. That's where it's at. The calories, the macros on this is great. 30 calories per tortilla. And look at this meal, it's so bomb. So we got egg whites, 2 tortillas, and bell peppers. So what we're gonna do, there's a couple ways we can eat these and do this. So what I do is I put a little salt on there, and then I cooked everything with Pam again, right? Here's the best part. You can go with both Tia Lupita right here and just put a little salsa on there. We're actually gonna go mix and match, right? Why not? And there you go, that's easy. Guess how long those took? Just guess. Drop in the comments. See, tell me how long you think both of those meals took. All 3 of these meals, you wouldn't believe how long they took. Not as long as you think. Let's do a little taste test. Perfect. Y'all are missing out. Tia Lupita goes hard. All right, meal number 3. So we got egg whites and English muffins. So what English muffin did I choose? It's the gluten-free English muffin. They look like this, and they taste so good. You gotta get them so they're, look at that, look at it. Look at it, little brown. And it's got, it feels right. It looks so good. I'm not gonna eat it just like that. We're gonna put a little jelly. So you gotta find the right macros. So this one has 50 calories per 1 tablespoon. Not bad. 13 grams of carbs, not bad, not that bad. I would measure it out, but basically it's not gonna be that much. I don't put that much on there. So I just put a little bit like that. I would measure it out though, but just for the sake of time, we're not gonna measure it out. So there's that, right? And then this is 8 ounces of egg whites. And then I had some bell peppers left over from the tortillas, so I just put them on the side. I mean, you just put whatever you want. I mean, I'll put a little salt on there, and then drizzle a little bit of Tia Lupita, because she's the bomb, and we're good to go. So, egg whites, English muffins, salt, jelly. There's that. All right, there's your 3 meals right there. I hope you enjoy it. This is why I always say, what diet? What diet are we even on? I mean, I just had pancakes, and this completely fits my macros. I'm having English muffins with jelly on top. I'm having tortillas. Man, it just tastes so bomb. You just gotta think and comprehend what you're doing and actually try. There's so many recipes. I'm accessible. That's why I did this video, but if you have any, if you're not sure, just YouTube it. Go research, Google. That's a thing. It's called Google. One thing that I would say is, depending on your goal, like if you're trying to gain muscle or lose body fat, you have to fit your foods to your macros. So that's gonna just depend on you changing how much the portion sizes and how much you put on your plate. So if you're trying to lose weight, it might be a little less. If you're doing a lean bulk, it might be a little bit more, but essentially these are gonna be the foods that we're gonna go with. And read the labels, make sure that it has good macros, track everything in MyFitnessPal, download MyFitnessPal and track everything. But yeah, these are my meals, and I hope you liked it, and I hope this helps. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Let's get it.